Krishna Kaladharan, center number 004437, candidate number 030. The database I've created is for the company called Color Fashions, which is a fashion designing company run by Sasikala, which is a sole trader. Previously, Sasi used a paper-based system to run the essential needs of the company, such as the stock management, the customers' details, and the receipts. But now she wanted to change the process and increase the company's potential. This is why I have created a database which will sufficiently meet her demands on the various aspects of the business she would like to improve. When opening the database, it immediately reaches the main page, which allows the staff to have easy navigation of the system and be more understanding of it. On top, you can see there's a date and time setting, which again is just used as a reference to the staff, which could play a key aspect of them knowing the time and the timings required for the company. The main menu relates to a color scheme of the brand, which ranges from the gray and black, which is the color scheme of the brand, and also has a logo which had to be digitally manipulated using Photoshop, as it didn't fit the database, and the font had to be changed with the color scheme as well. The form was made by a tabular function of add and search, which contains the different sectors for each one. The addition of sectors contain the alteration, customers, receipts, and stock. First, at the customer. As you enter the customer, it is clear to see how the data is run, with each setting located at the appropriate stage. It contains the brand logo to show again the scheme, which is requested by Sasi, as she wanted consistent layout of her brand within the system. It also has drop-down menus to make an easier information selection for the staff to know their options. A special thing is using a table within the form. This allows new data to be entered and data to be edited within the system. This could also pose a big help for the staff to reduce the amount of human errors and amend those human errors at a quicker pace, as it provides better navigation within the table itself. It has multiple it can save the copy as a soft copy, which will eventually return to the table and be used for later use. The return is used as a macro to suggest to allow the navigation to be used at the easier effect, as you just click return and it returns to the main menu. The search function also plays a key component for the database, as it allows the staff to vitally search information at a quicker pace, and Sasi requested to have a greater connection between the customers and the staff, as the service could be seen as quicker. As you enter the customer, you do not need to enter the name, which again allows them to input a certain name and comes the closest possible match. This again allows for human errors to be sufficiently taken out of the system, and allows also the staff to have a bit of leeway within the system. The date again is shown below to seen as a reference for the receipts and for the staff. The brand logo is shown again to meet the criteria of the consistent layout of the brand with the color scheme included. This time there are two possible opportunities for the staff to store the information, either a hard copy using the printed or the save. The print is just a simple function where you just enter the name and the print preview is seen. As you return to the function, you return to the main menu. To reduce the amount of human errors, data validation proved a key component, as multiple data validators, for example, the date of birth, which ensures that the candidate is above the age of 18, which is Color Fashion's requirement for clients. This could eventually affect if the staff make a mistake of keeping an underage, or if a client approaches them and they will be informed that they are not acceptable for the company. Email also plays a key aspect, as it shows the communication between the two, and this allows better understanding and better communication and more valid data to be seen. Relationships also play a key component in this, as the related tables allow less related stock related repeated information to be used, as the related tables allow data to be transferred. This could save time for the customers, time for the staff, and which they could use for the product instead. As you can see, there are multiple macros being used in the system, such as autoexec, which is basically a function which opens the form once the database is open, the print function, which prints the queries once entered, the return function, which closes the form and opens the form, which saves up memory as it doesn't contain other unnecessary tabs, and the essential shutdown button, which just closes the database and allows easier entry and access within the database. As you return to the main menu, each query is important, as the customer query allows the leeway for the data input, as it allows the closest match to be asserted rather than the staff needing to have an exact match for the system. This is a key aspect of what SASE wanted in the system, as it provides an ease of use for the system and also reduces the amount of human errors. As you return to the main menu, each sector has an appropriate form, query, and report, which allows the manipulation of data and the searching of data to be very well thought of within the system, and allows SASE and her company to input the system at a quicker pace. As we quit the system, the company has played a key role in this, and hopefully using this could reach the maximum potential. Thank you.